Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what I'm making today. I'm adding a half a cup of butter, and I usually use salted butter, and it's at room temperature. And to that I'm gonna add 2/3 a cup of light brown sugar. I'm gonna cream this together on medium speed for a few minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. I occasionally scrape down my bowl while this is mixing so that I can get everything off the sides. Now I'm going to add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to mix this for a little while longer. While this is mixing, I'm going to sift together 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I always use kosher salt, and it doesn't want to go through the sifter, so I just kind of sprinkle it over the top of my flour mixture. And now I want to add my flour mixture into my beaten ingredients. And I just want to mix this until it's incorporated. Once it's incorporated, I'll remove my beater and my mixing bowl from my mixer. I will stir in 1 1/2 cups of oats. I use the quick cooking oats, but you can use the old-fashioned oats as well. But I'll stir those in, and 2/3 a cup of raisins. Now I'll just drop my scoopfuls onto my prepared pan. I love these silicone mats. They really are a lifesaver. I baked them in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 12 minutes. And I turned them halfway through, and here's how they turned out. Don't they look delicious? This is my husband's absolutely favorite cookie. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. All this helps my channel to grow. And until next time, bye y'all.